Сегодня мы в порту Портимао, Португалия. У нас тут тендербоут, который отвезет нас с корабля на землю. Где моя земля? Но это занимает очень много времени. У меня всего 2 часа проика, но я вам покажу немножечко этого города. Поэтому ждите. We are getting closer. Well, we are out and the person in your life. Ой, красота. Но здесь, конечно, места сфоткаться немного. Поэтому, потому что вот все красивое вот там, тут. Я такая нарядная. Ну ничего. Сейчас подышу португальским воздухом и обратно. Right, guys, I am out of the port. It took me like only 2 minutes. There is nothing. We have to take bus, to walk a little more. So since I don't have much time, I'll just go back to souvenir place and have a fun. Bye. And I will go back to work. Right, here's a souvenir place. Let's buy a lot of souvenirs. I would love to eat some fish, to swim at the beach. Looks good. Let's check it out from inside. That's a beautiful towels. Wow. Let's have a look at the port. And my bags and caps, it also looks very cool and costs like $17.95. It's all prices in euro. I would love to have one of these, but it really messes up all the time my hair. But the bags are cute. Wow. How much for this bag, for example? $32.95. These purses are also nice. $27. Alright. Oh, these are also cute. But I'm gonna go and buy some magnet, and I think that's it. The souvenir place is supposed to be a little bit more expensive than the other places, I think. But that's how we can explore. Oh, only $1 for this one, €1. Not that expensive. And magnets right here, and a lot of handmade stuff here. The earrings are nice. Wow. I'm already going back, and behind me is a beautiful, beautiful view. I'll show you. Yeah, nice spot, right? And we're going back. I've been on land only a few minutes, and I will show you port and the city from far away. Oh, that's a loud spot. Thank you for doing this, me guys. Love you. Tomorrow is a Lisbon and a bigger video because I have a lot of time. You're so fishy. I feel like I'll smell like fish. Well, I'm telling that I'm getting here the boat tour. We can see even more. Check it out. Wow. Like I feel how we're turning around and going further from the land. I will call this video blog Portimao Express because we look at very fast like that. Asked my friend to take my picture because it's really nice and they really like everything was going on here. Oh, we're going back. I cannot believe it was my 2-hour break and the one-way road takes approximately with all waiting time, and you know we have to take our tender boat, so altogether all in all took me like almost 53 minutes that way, and a little bit faster this way because I came by the time when we were already going. Looks like we opened one more gangway in the forward. This is the nose, so it's in forward, and we have another one at the back where we are turning around. Nobody. Oh no, this is the one, and this is the second one.